on behalf of Sharanjit Singh, welcomes you to the presentation of an upcoming HPN club. A club which is a blend of comfort and relaxation with an aura of energy oozing at every increasing level of the building. Before we proceed, let's have a look at what HPN Club has in store for us, starting with HPN Privilege Discount, which provides us with an opportunity to enjoy the services at discounted rate. We move further to HPN Real Estate, which helps us to deal in land and property with a scope of maximum profit. Same goes for HPN Autos, where we can sell or buy vehicles according to our benefit. HPN Event Guide is a facility to enrich our events. HPN Infomedia facilitates information about various services, and HPN PG Accommodation facilitates indwelling with peace and prosperity. HPN Blood Bank is an online facility to serve the society. HPN Reminder Services are also one of the beneficial facilities. HPN Online Cake, Sweets and Flower Booking, HPN Job Placements, Matrimonial and Shagun Delivery are the upcoming services of the HPN Club, which make us all-in-one facility provider in the market, that too at a feasible rate. So what are you waiting for? As these facilities are just a click away. So log on to our website www.hpnclub.com. Let's visualize the imagination by entering the reception area, which will give the actual picture of the ground floor, adjacent to which is a multi-cuisine restaurant which can accommodate around 150 people at the same time, thereby delivering the best service at the customer's table with mouth-watering food and hospitality. Moving further to the bar of the club, you will get a chance to groove and get intoxicated to the ecstatic environment. I would like to bring it to your notice that even the office of the club is on the same floor to ensure good and remarkable service. Now, if you are looking forward for a marriage party or a corporate party, you can avail this banquet hall, which will give a rich and subtle look to your event. Climbing further to the first floor, you will get an opportunity to peep into the game galaxy. If this is not enough for you, then that's good. We have a well-equipped gym. Hey, are you tired? If yes, then splash pool, spa, jacuzzi, sauna and steam bath are the resolutions, as you can evaporate the burden of your life and feel the life king size. Second floor, there are 3 suites to go with your mood and taste, thereby resulting in ultimate comfort and enjoyment. This floor is complemented by a conference room to held meetings and decide upon necessary measures. Second floor is the area where you will feel like a queen, because we have a well-furnished and beautifully decorated 6 queen's room. We also have meeting-cum-dining rooms on every floor, which ensures the efficiency and adaptability of the club to match with the client's expectations. The era continues to the 3rd floor, where you will find more number of suites of all sizes and quality. The other major facility of the floor is it has a hall for kiddie parties, where the women can enjoy themselves by playing and stuffing their mouth with delicious food. 6 twin sharing rooms, which are really beautiful and specially designed for the clients to spend their precious moments. Ready to take a ride to the rooftop? So let's begin with the kiddie hall for ultimate fun and excitement. And 6 king suites to rejuvenate and to make you feel like a king. As you have seen that HPN Club dreams for customer satisfaction at any cost. With this, we introduce you to the optional business opportunity which will be explained to you in details by our friends present at this event. We hope that we were able to make you aware of the concept of HPN Club and what we think about our clients. If you were pleased by our presentation, then you are invited to join our family of HPN Club. Even if you are not interested, we leave you with an expectation that one day you will gladly be a part of the HPN Club. We thank you for taking the time out of your busy schedule and honoring our event with your presence.